Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Threads account, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure your account is properly authenticated and gains access to all available features. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the Threads website or launch the Threads mobile application. Log in using your registered email address or username and password. Step 2. Once logged in, locate your profile icon or account menu, typically found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and select Settings, Account Settings, or Profile from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Look for the Verification section, which may be labeled as Verification, Account Verification, Identity Verification, or Verify Account. This is usually found under Account Settings or Security Settings. Step 4. Click on the Verification option to begin the process. Threads may require you to provide personal information such as your full name, date of birth, or phone number to confirm your identity. Step 5. Depending on the platform's requirements, you may need to upload identification documents such as a government-issued ID, driver's license, or passport. Ensure the documents are clear and all details are visible. Step 6. If email or phone verification is required, check your inbox or messages for a verification code sent by Threads. Enter this code in the designated field to proceed with the verification. Step 7. Follow any additional on-screen prompts or instructions provided by Threads. Some platforms may require a photo selfie or video verification to match your submitted documents. Step 8. After submitting all required information, wait for Threads to review your verification request. This process can take anywhere from a few minutes to several business days, depending on the platform. Step 9. Check your email regularly for updates from Threads regarding your verification status. Once approved, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your account is now verified. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.